How's it going? I'm Jared Gillis. Today, I just wanted to pause and say happy Thanksgiving to you all and really express how thankful I am for all of you. This day is a great day to be able to pause and just be thankful for so many things around you. And last night, we were just sitting outside by the RV and just talking about some of the things that we were thankful for this year, or just enjoying that time. And taking that pause to be able to say thank you to those that you're thankful for is just a great opportunity. So I just wanted to take today and say thank you to you all. I really am truly thankful that you guys come here and are willing to watch the videos. I do hope that they help you enjoy that RVing experience even more. And for me, RVing is just being able to slow down, enjoy the time, and to be thankful for that time. RVing does that more than just on one day a year for Thanksgiving. It helps me slow down and be thankful for the days that we have, the time that we have, the memories that we are making, and the time that we're spending together with those around us. So today, I just want to give you guys a sincere thank you and hope that RVing helps you guys trickle over Thanksgiving throughout the entire year as we enjoy the time out there, spend time together with friends and family, and enjoy a meal out there RVing or seeing new places. I hope that we can pause and be thankful for those times and enjoy the experience. So from our family to you, happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you enjoy the day.